Good morning. I want to discuss a program with you that the School Library Committee would like to implement. We believe our program, Weekends at the Library, should be funded for this school year. This program would allow the district's libraries to be open on the second and fourth Saturday of each month from 11 a.m. through 2 p.m. We would have story time provided by teacher volunteers for our younger students and young siblings. Families would also be able to read together, as well as play various board games and put together puzzles. Our objective for weekends at the library are to encourage students to visit the library on these weekends, but also during the school day. We hope to increase parent and family engagement while informing them of the benefits of modeling reading for their children. We hope this time at the library will give parents an opportunity to focus on positive reading behaviors and remove many of the distractions that are present at home. We believe this program will also provide increased access to students and their families and caregivers. This is especially true for our middle school students who only have library time once every 2 weeks, and our high school students who do not have any regular library time scheduled with the exception of their lunch period. In order to make this program a success, we are asking for a total of $1,100. This amount would include $500 for books and magazines that would be interesting for adults. The majority of this material would be located at the elementary library. However, some would also be distributed between the middle school and high school libraries. We would also like $300 for board games to be spent equally at each campus, and we are asking for $300 for puzzles. The money for puzzles would also be spent equally at each of these campuses. After the first year, we believe that $700 will be needed to replace any board games or puzzles that have been damaged, as well as update the books and magazines available for parents and caregivers. Our targeted audience for weekends at the library include all students in grades pre-kindergarten through 12th grade, along with their parents, family members, and caregivers. Weekends at the library should be a beneficial program as it will allow students to visit the library in a non-structured way, since students are often limited in the amount of time they can spend in the library. This lack of structure will then allow students and their families to explore the library together at their own pace. We believe this will also introduce younger siblings to the library before they even start school to go ahead and lay a foundation regarding the importance of the school library and the various opportunities that are present. Weekends at the library will also provide students and their family members with an opportunity for shared reading. This allows parents the chance to become reading role models for their children. Research-based evidence supports the creation of strong library advocacy programs in schools, such as Weekends in the Library. One study by Eubank suggests that school library advocacy programs must acknowledge school and community interdependence present in rural frontier America. As a town of about 500 people, it is very clear that the school and community are dependent on one another. This program ensures all students and their family members have access to the library. In the article by Hicks, importance was placed on making the library visible to the community while also serving people and providing information to meet their various needs. Weekends at the library will encourage students, family members, and the community to visit the library and understand everything that is available to meet those educational, recreational, and work needs. Lastly, Murga and Roney stressed book reading as being a social practice and that librarians need to support parent-child reading initiatives beyond the early years. This program will bring students and their families together in a social context. It also serves as a parent-child reading program for children of all ages. The success of this program will be measured in a variety of ways. Quantitative assessments will be completed based on usage of the library during the program, as well as circulation statistics. Success should result in increasing attendance for weekends at the library, as well as an increase in circulation statistics among all 3 district libraries. Qualitative assessments will be completed using student and parent surveys. These surveys will ask open-ended questions regarding changes to their reading habits throughout the year as a result of this program. Increased amounts of reading and a more positive attitude toward reading will be indicative of a successful program. We will also welcome other feedback and recommendations from students and parents on these surveys. This will assist us in ensuring that this program is meeting the needs of the community. Thank you for taking time out of your day to listen to our proposal on creating weekends at the library. We hope to hear back regarding the approval of our proposal and budget requests soon. Have a great day.